Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? So I was at Home Depot, and of course this is Christmas time of year. So I picked up this 3-pack wireless indoor-outdoor remote control switch, and this is wireless and it's got 2 ground outlets. You can use with LED, CFL, and ICANN. And remote control operates lights and appliances up to 80 foot, and then it includes 3 indoor-outdoor remote controls, 1 transmitter control. So I picked up the 3-pack. Here it is right here. So I'll go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you here in a minute, and I'll hook it up to some Christmas lights that I got outside. So there we go. Got 1, 2, 3. Got the plug outlets. Alright, just standard plug. Here's your wireless remote. It's got for 1, 2, 3. And it's already got a battery included. So I'll go ahead and hook these up to some lights that I have outside. All right, I got number 1 hooked up. Some candy cane, some more candy cane. All right, so let's go back, get the controller. All right, I'm in the garage right now. All right. Number 1. All right, let's go check them out. Woo! That's cool. So, there we go, guys. Wireless. Good way to turn on the Christmas lights without going outside. All right, guys. You have any comments, questions? Like the video. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. I'll always have stuff to upload on this channel. So until next time.